Peyaj's life. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and also hit the bell button for latest updates. Thank you. Hi friends, we have to take a kadai first and we have to heat it for some time. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in it. Mustard oil is very good for heart, and especially Bengalis like to eat their food prepared in mustard oil, so I generally use mustard oil. And then I'm going to add kalonji in it. I will stir it for some time. Till the flavor comes in the oil. Once it starts spluttering, I'm going to add the onions. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions. Now we have to fry it till it turns golden brown. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to turn golden brown. And next we have to add green chillies. Some more I've added. Mix well with the onion. We have to cook till it turns soft. You can see the onions have become translucent. Okay, now you can see it's turning brown. So we can add the garlic after this. I'm going to mix it well with the onions. So onion and garlic and chili, these 3 give a very nice flavor to the dish. And now you can see after 2 minutes how nicely it is fried, and I've added the mixture of spring onion and chopped potato, and nicely I have to mix it with the onion. You can see how beautiful the green color is looking, and this recipe is really tasty, very easy to cook, and you can give it to your children and your family as a tiffin, and with that you can give chapatis or paratha. It tastes very nice. Next I'm going to add red chilli powder and some salt. One teaspoon turmeric powder, and some salt to taste, and we have to mix it well. Nicely. So this is a very easy and quick recipe for all of you, and it's a vegetarian recipe, so you can always try it and you can give it to your kids in their tiffin box, lunch box, and I'm sure they are going to love it. So mix it well. Like this. So we have to coat it nicely, all the potatoes. It should look like this. 5 minutes you can see the color of the recipe. It's nicely cooked. I'm sure you should try this bhaji at home. It's very easy to cook. Within 10 minutes you can finish cooking. Thanks for watching. Please try it at home, friends.